Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked through your Android phone's system apps and noticed apps you don't remember installing? Many Android phones include system apps that don't appear on your home screen, so most people never know they're there. Some of these apps are added through Android or Google system updates and provide specific features that not everyone uses. In today's video, I'll show you two system apps that many users have questions about. I'll explain what they do, whether you actually need them, and how to uninstall them if you decide you don't want those features on your phone. So let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap Google. Next, tap All Services. Now scroll down and open System Services. Here you'll see several Android system components. Most of these are built into Android and can't be removed. You can usually only update them or manage some of their settings. However, on many Android phones, there are two apps that you may be able to uninstall: Android System Key Verifier and Android System Safety Core. Let's look at them one at a time. First, tap Android System Key Verifier. This app helps verify encryption keys used by supported messaging apps and services. Its purpose is to help users confirm they're communicating with the correct person when using compatible end-to-end encrypted messaging features. If you don't use these verification features or simply don't want this component installed, you can tap Uninstall and confirm the removal. Keep in mind that some supported messaging features may no longer be available if you remove it. Now go back. Next, open Android System Safety Core. This app provides on-device safety features for supported apps. For example, it can help detect and blur sensitive images in compatible messaging apps before they're displayed. According to Google, this processing happens on the device itself rather than sending your photos elsewhere. If you don't want to use these features, you can uninstall the app by tapping Uninstall and confirming your choice. Once both apps are removed, they will no longer appear in your installed system apps list. While we're here, you'll also notice other system components such as Android System Intelligence and Device Health Services. These apps are core parts of Android and generally can't be uninstalled. They provide features such as smart suggestions, live captions, adaptive brightness, battery optimization, and other system functions. Depending on your phone, you may be able to adjust battery settings for some of these apps, but disabling them completely could affect certain Android features. And that's it. Now you know what these two Android system apps do and how to remove them if you decide you don't need the features they provide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments whether these apps were installed on your phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.